So I found an amazing model of the lightsaber from Jedi Fallen Order. It looks so good. I have in Cura part of it. This is the bottom part. It's been shot off. There's a 40-minute print, 2 4-hour prints, and a 5-hour print, and I think a 3-hour print for all the parts to make this thing. It's really cool. Oh, I hate myself. Okay, so y'all saw me just snap it. It's starting to get a little later, so that print is only like 1.5 hours. So it's going to print and be done. My dad has some modeling glue, which was going to be what I used to put this whole lightsaber together. So here's the piece. It actually turned out very nicely. It's being held together by a rubber band now. You can still tell where it snapped, but not super easily. The reason you could tell so easily right now is because the glue is still shiny. Once there's paint over it, you won't be able to tell. If this glue doesn't work, I'll just print this piece again. That's the beautiful thing about 3D printing, is if you break something, just print it again. It's not that big of a deal. So this is the lightsaber we're making, but these two lightsaber shrouds are going to be really hard to print. There's no easy angle to print them from, so I'm going to have to print them multiple ways and see which one works the best. This is what it's going to look like. This piece actually came off nice and clean. Some nice detail. And this will go in there. Good morning, it's the next day. So we have 2 of the pieces of the lightsaber printed, and the last piece is about to start. We are leaving later today to go on a 3-day trip to Dallas, so I won't be able to print anything then, so that's going to delay this project just a little bit, but I'm going to try and get this print done before, and then we'll only have 1 print left. Then we can start painting and assembling the lightsaber. Also, this has finished drying all night, and it looks good as new. You can't even tell where it was. The print was actually going very well. It was going to need just a little bit of cleanup there, but we're about to leave, so I have to stop the print now. I knew that this trip to Dallas was going to inhibit the project a little bit and make it a little delayed, but I thought maybe I could get this print done today, but I can't, so I can at least see how it's going to fit with this one. So yeah, so when we get back, we can start painting those pieces, and then I'll have to reprint this piece. So this, and just like that, we are back from Dallas. The last clip you saw was from Friday. It is now 3 o'clock on Monday. We're about to start a print on there. Print another Baby Yoda. going to clean this off right now. So if you're ready, get set, time lapse. Okay, so we're doing pretty good. This piece is painted, looks good, and then this piece is painted and drying. I'm seeing some small white spots peeking through that I'm going to need to repaint, and this bit down here needs to be silver, but besides that, the pieces are looking good. This piece, so I have the pieces here drying. I did go ahead and paint this piece. Everything that's white is supposed to be silver, so this is pretty much a half silver, half black piece, but I went ahead and painted the black part. That's where the blade comes out, so I painted pretty deep in there, black. Same thing with on this one, I painted in there black a little bit. So this ring down here needs to be silver, and everything on here that's white needs to be silver. This is completely black. Then I want to put a clear coat on it all when I'm done so that the paint won't chip or scratch, but at the same time I want to keep this matte finish. I don't want a shiny lightsaber, especially on the black parts. Like this is supposed to be like a rubberized grip, so I don't want it shiny, so I have to find a clear coat. The clear coat that I used when I painted this Nerf gun is pretty shiny. I mean, it's a more matte option, but it's pretty shiny, so yeah, I need to try and find a super matte clear coat, or just leave it without a clear coat. And extra filament on the tip when this started, so this first layer is really messed up. Turned off my camera, we lost power. There, so it's gonna restart. Peel that off. This was just a support material. I'm also editing this video, and it's starting to get kind of long. So this is probably going to be the last painting time lapse. All the pieces that are still printing, I will paint those without filming it, but we will go ahead and time lapse this. So, time lapse. Okay, well, Happy New Year. Actually, it's the New Year in 3 minutes, but we have this, and I've let this cool. These were printing while we were gone, and so they should just, nice. They just pull up, we'll pull off the support material. Right before I left for the New Year's party, I did sand this one a little bit, so it's a lot smoother now. You can definitely see it's not perfect, but after a little bit more sanding and some paint on that, that'll look great. Then this one will need to be sanded, get the stuff pulled off, and then here is the lightsaber stand. So much for watching. It looks great. I might just put it on the stand like this, and if it starts falling apart, put some glue on it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will make sure to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.